Your farm is an ecosystem, a perfect environment where every organism, plant, and nutrient works together to grow food. For every good seed and granule of fertilizer you put in, nature rewards you with a healthy plant. It is the partnership between you and nature that creates the sustenance with which we feed our bodies. That's why Kynoch focuses on sustainability. We don't simply prescribe compounds to inflate your results for the short term. We put nutrition at the center of your crop care for the long term. By careful examination and analysis, we know exactly what your plants need to grow into healthy, bountiful harvests. We formulate the perfect fertilizer program for your farm and provide sustainable products that make all your future crops flourish. Through science, innovation, and many years of development, our products care for the environment, working with nature and not against it. Kynoch, we care. Enhanced efficiency through innovation.